The silicone molds I'm using here are from West Tablet. Prepare acrylic paint. I use black here and you can use other color as you like. Weigh the required amount of gypsum powder for aroma and water in a ratio of 100 to 35. Mix them together and quickly stir in one direction until there are no caking inside. Scoop out the acrylic with a stirring stick. Scrape it on the inner walls of the silicone cup. If your acrylic paint is in a tube, you can directly squeeze it onto the stirring stick for convenience. Scrape and stir the acrylic into the gypsum liquid. At this time, you can see the marbling patterns. If you prefer a light effect, use less acrylic paint. If you prefer a strong effect, use more. The demonstration here is for a stronger effect. Pour the mixture into the mold while continuing to stir. Vibrate the mold to make the surface flat. You can use the stirring stick to create additional patterns on the surface. Let's demonstrate another effect. Similarly, weigh the required amount of gypsum powder for aroma and water in the ratio of 100 to 35. This effect needs both black and white gypsum powder. There are black aroma gypsum powder available in the market that you can directly purchase, or you can refer to my previous video to dye the white gypsum powder into black. I've put the link in the description bar, feel free to check it out. For this demonstration, I have 50 grams of white gypsum powder and 50 grams of black gypsum powder, with 17.5 grams of water each. Mix the water and gypsum powder. Then we have 2 portions of gypsum liquid. Pour 1/3 or half of the black gypsum liquid into the white one. Please don't stir. And then pour the mixture into the mold. Vibrate the mold to make the surface flat. Pour the remaining black gypsum liquid into the mold. Flatten the surface again. You can use the stirring stick to create patterns on the surface if you want. Then shake the mold again to remove any trapped air bubbles. Wait for about 1 hour for it to solidify. Demold the stones. Prepare a 1000 grit sandpaper or a nail polishing stick. Sanding while rinsing with water. I suggest doing this under the faucet. Smooth out any uneven or sharp edges on the bed of the stone, while rinsing off any surface powder. After polishing, place them in a ventilated and cool place to dry. Decorate them with waste strings and labels. You can also use small pendants. Drop essential or fragrance oil or spray perfume on the surface of the stone. After 10 minutes of absorption, it can diffuse the fragrance.